so I'm back with another video, and today we have Popeyes. I've been craving Popeyes for so long, and so I went and got it. So I ended up getting two number twos, which is the 3-piece, and I got 3 thighs. This is thighs, right? I think. And then I got 3 drumsticks. These are thighs. These are thighs. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure they are. I got a extra side of gravy because I'm gonna dip my chicken in it. And then I got mashed potatoes and gravy as a side. Ooh. Didn't mean to dip my finger in there. Mashed potatoes and gravy and red beans and rice because I haven't had that in a long time. I wanted jalapenos to go with it, and I don't know if everyone knows that, but you can get jalapenos. You can order jalapenos from Popeyes. I didn't know that until like recently, like I'm gonna say like maybe 2-3 months now, but they were out. I'm so sad, but it's okay because it's okay. And I have my Louisiana hot sauce, which I'm gonna douse my food in, and then for my drink, I got orange Fanta, which technically I don't really want because I'm not really in the mood for something like sweet. I'm really in the mood for like something savory and salty and spicy. So let me pray real quick and then we can dig in. Ashe. All right. I feel like I really want to go in. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog. I feel like I want to dig into this red beans and rice really quick. Ooh, because that's kind of what I've been craving. Can you put hot sauce in red beans and rice? Is that like unethical? Unethical. I don't know, is that a thing? I don't see why not. Y'all, it's that time of the month for me, so like when that happens, I literally want everything spicy, everything salty. Most women like crave sweets. I'm not really a sweets person in general. Like I don't like pastries and cookies and cake and brownies. I'm not really into sweets in general. So I'm always craving like salty and spicy. Jesus. You're so good. Okay. Put this there. All right, so I really want to put hot sauce on this first one, but I'm gonna just dip it. Ooh. I want the first bite. I can have the first bite here. Here. I'm not gonna be stingy. Take it. Okay. That's enough. Oh, goodness. Oh my God. It's everything I needed and wanted and more. Heaven. having it in my mouth. Why not, right? Okay. These are already spicy, but you know, why not add more spice? Because why not? Why not upset my stomach? You know? I don't care. I don't care. I just want to eat. So good. Is there a proper way to eat thighs? Ooh. Okay. So, I know I'm late to it, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers put honey and hot sauce on their chicken. So, and then someone I can literally name for sure that has done it is Nicole, of course. She puts honey. Yeah, and I just told you I don't like sweets like that. But apparently this is a freaking vibe. So, honey and then hot sauce. So, cheers. Okay. I don't think it really did anything for me. I don't know. I just like my spicy and salty more than anything. And then even in that, like that bite, the 2 bites that I had, you only get like a hint of sweetness on top of the hot sauce. So, I'm okay. I'll stick to the stuff I know. This might be breast instead of thigh. Or am I tripping? This might be breast. Because thigh is a little bit more juicier, right? If I didn't have this to dip it in, and hot sauce to drench it in. I don't think I'll be able to eat it. So good. Let me dip and then drench. Yeah. Need that kick. Ooh. This is a big boy. What's up, bone? It's always crispy. Love that. You hear that? Crispy. Make my honey over here. Brownies for my brownie. I'm funny. It's so good, y'all. Don't fall. So, in my last video, y'all saw that I touched on the Tay and Lou like drama, and in that video, by the time I had recorded it, Lou didn't post her side of the story yet. So my opinion was more based on the little bit that Lou put out and then what all Tay had put out. Then, after recording the video, Lou, and I said this in the video, had, you know, put out her, you know, quote unquote receipts, and she spoke her truth, which in that point I was like, wow, you know, it really made me think like, okay, this is way bigger than they're both letting on. So at that point, today, then Tay came back with a rebuttal, something else to say. And at this point, I'm just like, I don't even want to be in it anymore. You know, I don't even want to look at the videos. I started to look at the videos. I started to look at Tay's new video today. And I literally had to, I think I was only 5 minutes in. And I was like, I'm not watching this. Because I could feel myself getting anxious, worked up, aggravated. Like, I really am an empath. And that's what like the video was about. So I was really feeling her emotions. And I also was feeling Lou's emotions. So I was like, I can't watch this because I'm about to get worked up and upset about a couple that I don't even know. If I walk down the street, unless I spoke to them, they wouldn't speak to me type thing. You know what I mean? So I was like, I'm just leaving this alone. At this point, like, I really hope it just dies down soon because I'm tired of seeing it. I'm tired of seeing it on my YouTube. I wish they never even put it on, you know, social media. But I get it. I guess I really don't. I do, but I don't. Yeah, it just makes you like, it literally makes you feel sick to the stomach. Because I can only imagine. I think one thing what I will say is, as Tay, since she has access to the password to Tay and Lou's YouTube channel, she shouldn't have put her rebuttal on that channel. Because that's not really fair. Because Lou started over. Lou started a whole new channel. Lou doesn't have access to the Tay and Lou channel. And this is from Tay's mouth. Tay said that why would she give access to somebody? She said, why would she give the keys? I think she was using it as like a metaphor. Like, why would you give the keys to your job to somebody who threatened to delete the page? Those are her words. It doesn't matter though, because it's both of your guys' page at the end of the day. You guys were both putting in the work. So at the end of the day, Lou didn't have access to her channel, because it's Lou's channel as well. So it wasn't right. I don't feel it was right because Tay has the access to the big platform and Lou had to start over. I don't think she should have posted it to YouTube. I think she should have kept it on, either if she did post it to YouTube, she should have started her own channel, just like Lou did. Or she should have just posted it to her TikTok account. So I didn't really like that for Lou. I mean, yeah, I didn't really like that for Lou, and I really disliked that for Tay. Also, I really just said I was not about to talk about this, but this is the last thing. I noticed in the couple of minutes that I watched Tay, she wasn't accountable at all. She was blaming. And in Lou's, she at least, in a couple of videos, Lou was accountable. Lou talked about how, yeah, she was drinking a lot. Yeah, she did put her hands on Tay. Like, she was accountable for her actions. Tay, on the other hand, was like, Lou caused me to do this, Lou caused me to do that. And I'll give you an example. She said that Lou was the cause of her becoming a gambler. When apparently, what Lou said, she's been gambling before. Tay's always been a gambler. Like, she said they would walk into a corner store and Tay would buy scratch-offs, lottery tickets, all that. So Tay has always had that gambling mindset and done that, and Tay has always been gambling away their money. So, at the end of the day, I want to know parts of it anymore. Because it's like, there's her side, and then the truth. And only they will really know that. So, I'm going to leave it alone. I think they need to just leave it alone, give it to God, and move on. And I think Tay, in all honesty, either needs to deactivate the channel that her and Lou started together and worked on, or any money that's coming in for like at least a certain time frame, because their videos still get money. Like, even their old videos still get money. Like, they're still bringing in money. People are still watching their videos. She needs to break some of that off to Lou, because that's more than only fair, you know? So, if not, I don't know. If I was Lou, if it can happen, I would, if there's any legalities, right? Is the right word to use? If there's anything legal she can do, I would do that. Because otherwise it does look like she's just almost a sweatshop worker. She was working for free. You know, that's what it looks like. So, anyways, I'm gonna stop talking about it now. I'm not. This is my last bite. I'm done. This is really good. I'm trying not to, since I'm just now getting back into the groove of doing my mukbangs, I don't want to go like close to 30 minutes, you know? I really don't even want to hit like 25 minutes, so I'm gonna end it here. This was really good. Amazing. This is really what I needed. Woo. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please continue to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below so you know when I post new videos. And until next time, as always,